Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Valdivia. I'm from the Bay Area and I'm here doing a makeup tutorial for you guys today. If you're a new subscriber, go ahead and click the bell notification and the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post a video. And then if you're a returning subscriber, I truly appreciate everyone's support that's honestly constantly commenting on my videos and watching my videos and giving me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I see you and I always comment back when I have the chance. So with that being said, I'm gonna bring to you this look right here. I honestly first wanted to do a smoky eye, like a black smoky eye, but then this came about and I really love the gray so much. I'm like feeling it, so I might do another one with a gray eyeshadow. You guys let me know in the comment section what I should do next. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching and let's get on to the video. Okay, so that is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it through the whole video, thank you so much. It truly means a lot. And also, I did want to mention I did just hit 100 followers on TikTok. So if you guys want to go ahead and follow me, I'll leave it down below along with my Snapchat. I am being consistent on Snapchat, so you guys would love it. I post tutorials before I even post them on Instagram. I post them on Snapchat first. Sometimes you get a little tutorial, a little snippet, stuff that I'm doing while I'm not on Instagram, basically. So yeah, that's totally fun and I love doing TikToks as well, and I'm trying to be constant more on TikTok. And yeah, you guys, so I think that's all I have to say for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give this video a huge thumbs up and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.